So, welcome guys, welcome to Ogive Tech, and today we'll be unboxing this great wireless headphones. This is the Haylou S40. So join me as we quickly unbox it. Finally, it came out. So we have the manuals, user manual. Now we have the headset itself. There's the microphone. And we have the charger. Oh. So by the way, this cost almost like 50 years old, and it has the build quality is quite good. Oh. So we have the microphone. Last we have the charger, then the cable, the Type C to C cable charger. So that's all you have for the unboxing. And looking into it, you see, I'm going to try to look at what this comes with. So this active noise cancellation comes with an adaptive ANC, adaptive noise cancellation, which effectively can block out any disruptive noises and multiple noise cancellation with multiple noise cancellation modes. So you can actually change it to different noise cancellation modes. As you can see, the box comes with the wireless headphone itself, which is here, and also the detachable microphone, which is this one. And we have the cable, audio cable charger, and the user manual. So other things that you can see with this wireless headphone is the fact that they can amass a 360 spatial audio like being in a theater, so you can actually get sound from different angles, which is quite good. And also it boasts of up to like 90 hours of playtime with full charge, which is very, very good. So you're going to be using this for more than 4 days. I mean, up to 4 days. And also it delivers a very high RES audio with powerful diaphragms, adaptive EQs, and bass enhanced algorithm. So it comes with the wireless 6.0 advanced tech, which is fast in terms of connection, and also it has a free conversation, so you can actually make conversations with this headset without any issue. So I'm going to try to connect this to the phone and see what we have. But first of all, let's turn it on. So you can see it's on. hope this is the one. I'll put on the device itself. I'm still searching for. So we're gonna scan again, although we're gonna go to the Haylou app. So we go to the device, so you can see it's on, so it's saying we should connect to the phone. So it's telling us to pair with the headset. So we can start using it. I can always optimize the anti-read noise algorithm. Okay, we can do that. I can do that later. Okay. So already the headset is already having some optimization, some updates, which is quite good for a headset of 50. If you look at the build quality, it's quite flexible, which can be packed so easy. You can actually fit it in something like this, so easy. And that's it. Yeah. So it's very, very flexible and very comfortable on the head also. Okay. Wow. 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 So it comes already with 80. Actually, I can't even hear anything from the background, so only the noise, only the music from the phone. There's the adaptive noise cancellation here, which is okay. That's turning off the noise cancellation. Let's see, adaptive. Wow. Noise wind, you can always adjust that. Game mode, multi-point, the spatial audio. Wow, so quite a lot of setting here for this a great headset. So that's what we have for the Halu S40. Great headsets with great features for just $50 US. All I can say is that you need to have a feel of this headset to really understand that you're going to be getting value for money, great connection, fast connection, and also the active noise cancellation And here we have it. That is the Haylou S40. Thank you for watching. You can click the like button and subscribe and like, share. I will see you some other time.